Today we are looking at how to access everyday math on the iPad using Puffin Academy. If you do not have the Puffin Academy app on your iPad, it is free, so you can go to the App Store, search for Puffin Academy, and then download it onto your iPad. You would type the name in here, and then this is what you are looking for. When you open the app called Puffin Academy, your first screen will look like this, with a little puffin smiling and a small blue box right here. You are going to tap that small blue box. It will take you into the search function. This is the next page you will see. There is a large number of apps available, but since you want a specific app, you are going to go right up here to the search bar. You are going to type in Everyday Math, and then you will search for it. Like this. You can either tap the little search icon, or on the keyboard you may tap Return. Either one will allow you to search for that website. Since Everyday Math is in Puffin Academy, it will find it, and the page looks like this, so you'll see that Everyday Math is still up here, and then you'll notice that the icon shows up down here. What you're going to do is tap on that icon. After you tap on the icon, it will go to a page that looks like this, and you have the option to either launch or install the app. You are going to click to install this site. Of course, it will make sure that that's what you want to do, so when it says do you want to install this site, you will say okay. Then the app will send you back to this screen, and you'll notice that in addition to the blue rectangle, you also now have that Everyday Math rectangle. So that is simply what you will tap when you want to go into Everyday Math. And since you installed it, it will stay on your iPad in the Puffin Academy app. When you tap on that Everyday Math icon now, it will take you to the login page. So you're going to type in your username, which is your email, and then right next to it, another window will show up for your password. Type that in as well. So you will follow that routine to log into Everyday Math, no matter what you need to do. And here we're going to look at the directions for accessing online games. So this is the document that is available. You've got your steps, 1 in your web browser, and your web browser on the iPad is that Puffin Academy. When you log in, you will go to the home page. Under the Practice tab, you will click on this Everyday Math Games Online, and then you will choose Games. This is a closer picture. Once you tap on Games, this is the screen that you will see. You can access all the early childhood games, the challenge games, and then at the top you can choose grade 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I believe I also see grade 6. Now, here's a very sad thing. Not all the games work. There is a document on Curtech that has specifics about which games do work on the iPad and which games do not work on the iPad. It has to do with plugins and all kinds of technical computer language. They will not be changing the games because Everyday Math has come out with a new version. All of the new version games are accessible through Safari on the iPad. They've changed all those plugins, but with the version that we currently have at District 93, all of the games are not accessible. However, a large number of the games are accessible, so just make use of that document and play the games that are accessible. So the next thing we want to look at is accessing those interactive teacher guides. Once again, on this document, it gives you that information about going to your web browser. Again, on the iPad, that is Puffin Academy. You will log in the same way that you did before. And then at the home page, you are going to find on the right-hand side the Interactive Teachers Lesson Guide. Tap on that, and then depending on how many grade levels you have in your account, they will all show up right there. You may choose whatever grade level you need. Here are the pictures of what the grade level teacher guides look like online. If you need additional assistance with accessing the materials within the teacher's guide, please do not hesitate to contact Susan. If you have any questions, check in with Susan. Have a great day.